In a quiet lab hidden deep in California's Sierra foothills, a small team of American physicists may have just changed the future of energy. Their creation, a solid-state battery called Ceravolt, could mark the end of liquid electrolytes forever. Unlike the lithium-ion batteries that power our phones, cars, and even spacecraft today, Ceravolt doesn't use any flammable liquids. Instead, it's built from a flexible ceramic composite, a solid material that conducts ions faster than any known liquid. That means no leaks, no fire risk, and almost no degradation, even after 10,000 full charge cycles. At the heart of Ceravolt is a glass-ceramic lattice filled with lithium superionic conductors. When charged, the lithium ions glide through microscopic channels, as if moving through a perfect highway, smooth, fast, and stable. The result? Energy density beyond what even advanced lithium-ion cells can offer, and a lifespan that could last for decades. During stress tests at a scorching 250 degrees Celsius, Ceravolt didn't just survive, it performed flawlessly. That's a temperature that would destroy any ordinary battery in seconds. This breakthrough means future electric vehicles, aircraft, and even spacecraft could operate in extreme environments with no cooling systems required. Engineers at the National Energy Materials Institute say a Ceravolt pack could power an electric aircraft across the Pacific Ocean without a single recharge. And it's not just powerful, it's clean. The team removed cobalt entirely, using Earth-abundant, recyclable materials to build each cell. If this technology scales, we may soon see a world where batteries never catch fire, never wear out, and never depend on rare metals again. Ceravolt isn't just another upgrade. It could be the first truly fireproof, endlessly rechargeable power cell ever created, and that could redefine how humanity stores and uses energy forever.